Hi, I'm Arav Gupta. I'm the student of class 4 and also of IFA. Today my topic is trip experience to Tamil Nadu. I've gone to Ooty by plane. There I've enjoyed a lot. I've gone to tea garden. I've gone to an amusement park. There are some scary rides and funny rides. I didn't go to scary rides because my sister was scared. And then we planned to go Coonoor. We went to Coonoor. There was a beautiful hotel. It has a very beautiful flower garden. I took pictures there. And then we saw many tea gardens. Then nearby Tamil Nadu, there's Karnataka state. I went there. There my Mausi lives. Me and my sister enjoy a lot with my cousin's sister. And then we came back by the plane.